प्रार्थनां कः करोति?
अहं करोमि। वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारश्च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा। ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्।
धन्यवादः महोदय। अद्य यावत् तावत् यदा तदा एतत् सर्वं पुनरेकवारं पठामः। यावत् तावत्, as much as, that much, so long, एतदर्थं जनयति। यावत् हिमालयः भवति तावत् भारतदेशं भवति। As long as the Himalayas exist, so long will Bharata be there. यावत् सूर्यः तिष्ठति तावत् संस्कृतं विराजते। पिता यावत् न खादति तावत् पुत्रः अपि न खादति। सुवर्णस्य यावत् मूल्यं तावत् मूल्यं रजतस्य नास्ति।
What is the meaning of the last one? Suvarnasya.
Suvarna is gold.
Correct. As long as
No, not as long, as much.
Price.
It depends on the sentence. As long as is applicable to Himalayas, that sentence.
Okay. So
as you tell the meaning now. Suvarnasya yavat mulyam tavat mulyam rajatasya nasti.
Okay, I understand the first part. As much as the value of the gold, where is the verb on there?
See, one verb is here, nasti. Yavat mulyam tatra yavat mulyam asti iti it should be taken. It is adhyahrutam.
Okay. It is what, Mahoday? Adya? It is, what is the word you said for imply?
Asti.
Asti. Yavat mulyam suvarnasya asti, tavat mulyam rajatasya nasti. Evam.
Adhyahrutam.
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 Adhyahrutam ityukte, it is understood.
Okay. Adhyahrutam.
Agare gachamah va?
So what is the meaning of the last sentence? So first part I understand.
Silver is not expensive as gold, right?
Value
Value of silver. Yeah, value of silver is not as much as gold.
Gold's value is there, that much value
Yes, is not there for silver.
not for silver.
Okay. So Rajata is silver, is it?
Yes.
Okay, thanks.
That usually these people, Vedanta people, they keep on giving that example, no? Shukti Rajata Nyayam, they say, by seeing a shell. Many people consider that as gold, silver. So that they usually give that example. At many places it comes. Shukti Rajatah.
Okay.
Astu. Atra, can you give more examples like this? Gayatri Mahodaye.
यावत् शिशुः गृहे अस्ति तावत् सन्तोषः सम्पूर्णम् अस्ति.
Agree. Haraprasad Mahodaya.
Yavat Hindu dharma asti tavat Bharata deshe virajate.
Bharata deshaha
virajate.
Harsha Mahodaye.
Can I take some time? Okay.
Agree.
Aham va? Yavat Mahodaya janati tavat aham na janami.
Ruta Mahodaye va?
यावत् वृष्टिः भवति, यावत् वृष्टिः सम्यक् भवति तावत् सस्यानि उद्भवन्ति.
सम्यक् अस्ति. सुन्दरी महोदय वा? रमेश महोदय वा? रमेश महोदय.
यावत् भीमस्य धैर्यमस्ति तावत् रामस्य नास्ति.
पुनरेकवारं वदतु महोदय.
यावत् भीमस्य धैर्यम् अस्ति तावत् रामस्य नास्ति.
सुन्दरी महोदये.
यावत् इच्छाशक्तिः भवति तावत् अहं संस्कृतं सम्यक् पठामि.
अस्तु. अग्रे गच्छामः वा? इदानीं यथा तथा. यथा राजा तथा प्रजा. तत् सर्वे जानन्ति किल. भवान् यथा प्रयत्नं करोति तथा फलं प्राप्नोति. त्वं यथा वदसि तथा एव भवतु. श्रेष्ठः यथा आचरति तथा जनाः अपि आचरन्ति. गायत्री महोदय.
गुरुः यथा वदति आवां तथा स्मरति।
आवां वा
आवां स्मरावः।
वयं वयं
वयं स्मरामः।
हरप्रसाद महोदय।
Yeah. I will come back, Mahoday.
हर्षा महोदय। हर्षा महोदय नास्ति वा?
यथा माता तथा पुत्री। यावत् यावत् श्रीमद् भगवद्गीता अस्ति तावत् मनुष्याणां मनुष्यत्व अस्ति।
सम्यक्। अग्रे प्रिया महोदय वा?
निर्मल महोदय अस्ति।
निर्मल महोदय आगतवान् वा? महोदय वदतु।
यथा
निर्मल महोदय एकनिमिषम्। अत्र एतद् उक्त्वा यथा तथा तस्य प्रयोगं करणीयम्। यावत् तावत्।
ओके ओके सम्यक्। भवान् यावत् न पाठयति तावत् अहं न पठामि। भवति सॉरी भवति भवती यथा पाठयति तथा अहं पठामि।
अस्तु अग्रे प्रिया महोदय।
महोदय यदा निर्मल महोदय यथा तथा न करोति वा?
यथा तथा।
यथा तथा।
I did.
No, not this one.
I did this also. No, both I did.
सः उक्तवान्।
भवती यथा पाठयति तथा अहं पठामि।
यथा माता कार्यं करोति तदा शिशवः follows
अनुकुर्वन्ति। अग्रे
यदा सः उपन्यासं करोति तथा अहं न कर्तुं शक्नोमि।
Okay, I will try. Aham yatha Samskrita Patam Pathami Tata तथा फलं प्राप्नोति।
यथा पठामि तथा फलं प्राप्नोमि। सम्यक्
प्राप्नोमि।
ऋता महोदय वा?
आं महोदय। यथा अहम् अभ्यासं करोमि तथा अहं संस्कृते सम्यक् वदामि।
यथा प्रयत्नः तथा फलम्। अग्रे सुन्दरी महोदय वा?
यथा मम संस्कृत आचार्यः पाठयति तथा अहं संस्कृतं सम्यक् पाठयामि संस्कृतं
अवगच्छामि अवगच्छामि
अवगच्छामि
अग्रे गच्छामः यद्यपि तथापि अलसाः यद्यपि दृढकायाः even though तथापि ते कार्यं न कुर्वन्ति still यद्यपि सम्भाषणं करोमि तथापि मम तृप्तिः नास्ति यद्यपि तस्य समयावकाशः अस्ति तथापि सः न आगच्छति। गायत्री महोदय।
अहं यद्यपि प्रयत्नं करोमि तथापि संस्कृत संभाषणं न आगच्छति।
प्रयत्नः अधिकः करणीयः। अस्तु
यद्यपि कालः अस्ति तथापि अहं न गच्छामि। Is that correct, ma'am?
हाँ महोदय।
Okay.
अहं यद्यपि प्रयत्नं करोमि तथापि फलं न प्राप्नोमि।
यद्यपि अहं पठामि तथापि अहं न अवगच्छामि।
अग्रे
प्रिया
महोदय।
यद्यपि बुभुक्षा नास्ति तदापि अहं खादामि।
यद्यपि अहम् अधिकं पठामि तद्यपि स्मरणे न तिष्ठन्ति।
तथापि यद्यपि तथापि स्मरणे न तिष्ठति। एकाग्रता नास्ति वा? अग्रे
एकाग्रता अस्ति महोदय परन्तु
विस्मरति
again and again forgetting विस्मरन्ति सर्वे विस्मरन्ति लोट लकार लंग लकार
तस्य एकां क्रीडामः इदानीम् एतत् समाप्य एकां क्रीडां तदा सम्यक् अवगच्छन्ति सर्वे। अस्तु अग्रे
हीना महोदय अस्ति। महोदय
कः?
हीना महोदय।
हीना महोदय अस्ति वा? हाँ हीना महोदय वदतु। हीना महोदय।
यद्यपि दुर्योधन बलवान आसीत् तथापि दुर्योधन I want to say he could not win. What do I say?
तत्र दुर्योधन इति नास्ति दुर्योधनः।
दुर्योधनः बलवानः आसीत् तथापि दुर्योधन he could not win.
जेतुं न शक्तवान्।
जेतुं जेतुं न
शक्तवान्। न जितवान् तथापि वक्तुं शक्यते।
अच्छा
विजयं न प्राप्तवान्।
Acha, okay. That is better. Yeah.
एवमेव अत्रापि वदतु यावत् तावत् हीना महोदय
Let me think better.
Oh,
It's
एवं
just
वा
that much so long as that.
अस्तु अग्रे सुन्दरी महोदय वा
भारतेषु।
इदानीं
यथा यद्यापि
यद्यपि यद्यपि यदि अपि यद्यपि
यद्यपि अहं भोजनं सम्यक् खादामि तथापि मम आरोग्यं सम्यक् नास्ति. It's only for sentence. मम आरोग्यं सम्यक् अस्ति.
अस्तु हीना महोदय
यद्यपि
यावत् तावत्
यद्यपि यावत् तावत् यावत्
यावत् सूर्यः अस्ति तावत् जीवराशिः भवति. As long as sun is there, because sun is source for life on earth.
So यावत् सूर्य सूर्य अस्ति तावत् बालका उद्याने क्रीडन्ति.
सम्यक् एव. इदानीम् अभ्यासः. As the mother speaks, so does the child repeat. गायत्री महोदय.
यथा जननी वदति तथा शिशुः. What can I say for repeat?
अनुवदति.
अनुवदति. अनुवदति.
यथा माता वदति तथा शिशुः
अनुवदति.
हरप्रसाद महोदय.
Even though there was no power, the students still studied for the exam. Is it yadi? No.
यद्यपि.
यद्यपि.
विद्युत.
Yeah. यद्यपि विद्युत नास्ति.
अस्ति.
There was no power. Was.
Or there was. यद्यपि विद्युत अभवत् तद्यपि छात्रः परीक्षां पठति.
अन्य कोऽपि वक्तुमिच्छति वा?
परीक्षया
यद्यपि विद्युत् न आसीत् छात्रः तथापि छात्रः परीक्षायाम् अभ्यासं कुरुतः.
No, for Chaturthi Vibhakti should be coming. For Parikshaya
परीक्षायां
पठति.
परीक्षायां पठति
No.
not पठति
परीक्षयाय
परीक्षार्थं
परीक्षार्थम्
अपठत् इत्यपि वक्तुं शक्यते अत्र पठितवान् इति दत्तमस्ति यद्यपि विद्युत् नास्ति इति दत्तं न आसीत् इति वक्तव्यं देयर वाज नो पावर इत्यस्ति किल अतः यद्यपि विद्युत् न आसीत् तथापि छात्रः परीक्षार्थं पठितवान् अवगतम् अग्रे
We can say parikshaya also, right?
परीक्षाय it's for the exam chaturthi vibhakti we can use, right? परीक्षाय
तत्र विसर्गः नास्ति वा परीक्षाय इति वदन्ति सर्वे
परीक्षायाः
as much as he likes playing
Pariksha is thrilling, no, madam?
Pariksha is
So pariksha yai, no, it will be
परीक्षायै
yai. Pariksha yai.
परीक्षार्थम् अथवा
Pariksha
परीक्षायै
yai.
Agree. As much as he likes playing, he does not like to read.
यावत् सः क्रीडति तावत् सः
Like means
for likes यावत् सः क्रीडम् इच्छति क्रीडितुम् इच्छति पठितुं न इच्छति तावत् सः पठितुं न इच्छति
सः यावत् क्रीडितुम् इच्छति तावत् पठितुं न इच्छति अग्रे कः वदति I do not know Sanskritam as much as my teacher does.
So my teacher is speaking.
यावत् मह गुरु
Is it your turn, Gayatri? Is it your turn?
No. She asked to try. Anybody can try. She told.
I don't think so.
Mama Guru.
Mahodaya, whose turn is this?
वदतु महोदय भवानेव वदतु
Okay, go ahead, Gayatri.
I do not know Sanskritam as much as my teacher does.
Can I try, महोदय?
हाँ वदतु
यावत् गुरु संस्कृतं जानाति तावत् अहं न जानामि.
We can say like that also. Yavat mama guru janati tavat aham sanskritam na janati. Janami.
हाँ अत्र एतत् वाक्यं सम्यक् अस्ति वा यथा मम अध्यापकः संस्कृतं जानाति तथा अहं न जानामि
Okay, yeah, so yatha will come.
No, no, you tell me whether it is correct or not. Atra
It should be
yavat
continuous yavat.
huh?
Yavat tavat will come.
Yavat and tavat should come.
Yes. अत्र
Yeah,
टङ्कणदोषः अतः यथा तथा इति आगतम्. As much as when that kind of sentence is there, it should be.
So it will be like that, no? Yavat mama guru janati, tavat aham na sanskritam janami.
Yatha raja tatha praja. The way it is, the way mother speaks, same way the child speaks. Yatha mata vadati tatha shishuhu api vadati. Tatra yatha tatha. Atra टङ्कणदोषः अभवत् अतः यावत् मम अध्यापकः संस्कृतं जानाति तावत् अहं न जानामि. कः वदति?
यावत् कार्यम् अस्ति सः कार्यालये भविष्यति.
यावत् कार्यमस्ति तावत् सः कार्यालये भविष्यति.
Here can we use yada tada?
Where?
As long as there is work.
No. When as long as यदा कार्यमस्ति तदा when then तदपि वक्तुं शक्यते. But as long as there is work, so there yavat tavat will be the right one to use.
Yeah, so yada will be is there is a work, he will be in the office.
यावत् पर्यन्तम् इति अर्थः. यावत् इत्युक्ते तत् पर्यन्तम्. Till then. Till then. Even though there was not much food, she gave to the beggar.
Yadyapi bahavaha bhojanam na asti sa tathapi sa bhikshukaya adat adadat.
यद्यपि अधिकम् अन्नं भोजनम् अथवा अन्नम् अत्र टङ्कणदोषः अन्नं न आसीत् तथापि she gave तथापि सा भिक्षुकाय
It should be in Bhuta. I mean,
it should be in
Bhutakala. Dadati is not Bhutakala.
Dattavati.
Dattavati. Dattavati, it should be Dattavati.
अथवा लङ्लकारः अस्ति चेत्
Dadat.
अस्तु. This we will do later. We will do one. Now what I wanted you to practice is take one dhatu. One of you will by turns on kramena eva gachamah. Gayatri, I'll ask Gayatri Mahoday first. I'll tell one dhatu. Sa kim karoti ityukte tad dhatoh prathama purusha ekavachanasya लट् लकार परस्मैपद्यां लट् लकारः लङ् लकारः लट् लृट् लोट् लङ् एतदेव in that order only. Only prathama purusha ekavachanam vaktavya. Jhat iti vaktavya. Then she will ask Haraprasad Mahoday, evam kurmaha. Then you, because in the exam you will not be given in this the same order. Oh, you write avandata, avandetam, evam, isn't it? So to keep everything in your memory, to get it fast, this kind of practice you must do. Okay, avagatam? Gayatri Mahoday.
Mahoday, only Parasmaipadi.
We will do Parasmaipadi first, then we will go to Atmanepadi.
Which order, Mahoday? Latlakara?
Latlakara, Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam only. Latlakaraha, Lritlakara, because they are similar, very easy. Only Sha you have to add. Then Lot Lakara, then Lang Lakara. In that order you have to tell.
Okay.
And you should not take more time. Okay, ready? If you take more time, the question will pass to the next person.
Dhatu will be same, Mahoday.
Huh?
What you give, which dhatu you will give to Gayatri Mahoday? Same dhatu.
No, you give any dhatu, I have no problem. It is your choice.
No, Mahoday, I could not understand. That's why.
See, first I will give one dhatu to Gayatri Mahoday. It is her choice whether to continue in the same dhatu or some other dhatu she will give to the next person. Okay. Avagatam? Astu. Gayatri Mahoday, are you ready?
Yes, Mahoday.
Patha dhatu, easiest.
Pachdatu.
Patha.
Pathdatu, okay. Patati, patishyati, patata, apatat.
Pathatam va?
No, patat, no, patat. 1 minute.
No, 1 minute. Go next person.
Sorry. Patatat.
Patatu.
Patatu, patatat. Both are right, no?
Yes.
No.
Patatu, patatat. Patatam, patantu.
Okay. Asdhatu.
Asdhatu.
As for me. As.
Yes, Mahoday.
Fast. You cannot take more time. Quick.
Aham asyami.
No. We don't want sentence. We don't want sentence now.
Oh, just the word. Okay. Asyami bhavishyati.
Mahodaye, just Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. That is enough. Asti. Like that.
Okay. Asti bhavishyati bhavatu abhavat.
Now you give some dhatu to
Okay.
Harsha Mahoday.
Sta.
Stha.
Sta.
Stha.
It becomes tishta.
Okay. Tishtati. Tishtan. Tishtha. Tishtha. Yes. Sorry. Tishtayati. Tishtatu. Atishtat.
Check your answer. Go give the next dhatu to Hina Mahoday.
Gam.
Gachati. Gachatu. Agachat. And Gamishyati.
Same order you have to follow. Otherwise, again, you'll get confused.
No.
Yeah.
Gachati.
लट् लकार लृट् लकार then lower
Acha,
then
okay, okay.
lang.
Gachati, Gamishyati,
Hmm.
Gachatu,
Hmm.
Agachat.
Next, you will give it to Nirmal Mahodaya.
Raksha.
Rakshati, Rakshishyati, Rakshatu, Arakshat.
Arakshat.
Lik,
लिखति लेखिष्यति लिखतु अलिखत् ज्ञानाति but what is the dhatu for that?
Jna.
Yeah.
Jna dhatu. Kah vadati? Ramesh Mahodaya.
जानाति जानातु अजानत्
लृट् लकारः
जानिष्यति वा जानिष्यति
कः वदति?
It is not janishyati.
तत्र किं वक्तव्यं?
ज्ञास्यति
ज्ञास्यति ज्ञास्यति जानातु
Ajanat, no?
अजानत्
अजानत्. अग्रे रमेश महोदय भवान् पृच्छतु. Ramesh Mahodaya, you have to ask Rita Mahodaya. Give her some dhatu.
Ramesh Mahodaya, you're on mute.
अस्तु प्रिया महोदय भवती एव वदतु.
Okay. Creed.
क्रीड
क्रीडति क्रीडिष्यति क्रीडतु अक्रीडत्.
You give some other dhatu to Sundari Mahoday.
सुंदरी महोदय कृपया वद धातु.
वद.
वदति वदिष्यति वदतु अवदत्.
अवदत्. अस्तु इदानीं मध्यमपुरुषः नास्ति प्रथमपुरुषस्य द्विवचनं स्वीकुर्मः. पच धातु गायत्री महोदय. पच धातु
पचतः पाश्यतः
उत्तम पुरुष मध्यम पुरुष
न प्रथम पुरुषः एव. प्रथमपुरुषः
द्विवचन.
पाश्यतः पक्ष्यतः. ओके पक्ष्यतः देन पक्षतु पचतु पचतु अपचत् पचतु अपचत्.
पचतु अपि नास्ति तत्रापि you have lost.
पक्षतु
न.
ओके sorry पक्ष I will go in for एकवचनं. पक्षतां पचतां अपचत् अपचतां पचताम् अपचताम्.
अग्रे भवती एव अन्य वदतु. हरप्रसाद. अट् धातु अटति. तस्य
to roam about.
तस्य प्रथमपुरुषस्य द्विवचनं.
yeah, Dvivachana. Atataha, Atatam, Apatatam, Atatam.
Where is the Ritlakara?
Rutlakara is Bhavishyati, Bhavishyataha, Atat, I don't know.
Atishyatah.
Atishyati.
Atishyatah.
Atishyataha.
Atishyatah.
Come again, please.
Atishyatah.
Atishyatah.
Yeah, Atishyatah.
Yeah.
Agree. Lot lakare kim asit?
Atatu. Atatam.
Then lang lakare?
Lang lakara.
See, so much time. Exam, you will not have that much time.
I don't know. Atati? No. Atatam? Atatam?
Atatam. Idanim
Okay.
Bhavan eva dadatu Harsha Mahodayai.
Yeah.
Dhatum dadatu.
Okay. Da dhatu.
Da.
Yeah. Da dhatu.
Da dhatu. Dadata. No, dattaha. Dattaha. Dasyati. Dasyataha. Dattam. Adattam. Okay. Piba dhatu. Piba.
Piba. Tasya dhatuh kaha?
Pa dhatu.
See, you must remember the dhatu also and the palms.
Pa dhatu. Yeah.
Pa dhatu.
This for me, is it?
Some background noise is coming, ma'am. Mahoday.
Yeah. Hina Mahoday.
Yeah. Pibataha. Root rakale will be pasyataha. Lot lakare pasyata pibatam and apibatam for lang lakare.
Now you have to Hina Mahoday, you have to give one dhatu to Priya Mahoday. Nirmal Mahoday.
It will be Bhavati.
Bhavati is not a
Bhudhatu.
Bhudhatu.
Bhudhatu. Bhudhatu.
Bhavatah, Bhavishyatah, Bhavatam, Abhavatam.
Astu. Nirmal Mahodaya Bhavan Anyat kimapi dhatum dadatu.
Rach dhatu. Rach. Rachati. Rach.
Rachataha. Rachataha.
Ritlakara.
Rachishyatam. Rachatam, arachatam.
You have to be faster. If you practice like this, you will be able to.
I think Litlakar was wrong.
Litlakara, is it right? That was I was about to ask.
Rachishyatah.
Yeah.
What did you say?
Ratishyatah.
I said
The word.
Ratisyatam, I said, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, in okay.
Yeah.
It should be Ratishyata, as he said.
Yes.
Ratishyata.
Yeah.
Okay. Agre? Shall we go to Atmanepadi or we will continue like this?
We'll continue.
No, we will do. We
We
will
will
do
do
Madhyam
some
Purus.
Okay.
Madhyam Purus. So that will be a full revision.
Okay.
But others have to continue this, right? At least like 2 or 3 of them are left, right? Mahodaya?
Okay. Astu. Priya Mahodaya, you give some other dhatu to Ramesh Mahodaya.
Swi.
Swi iti dhatu nasti kila tad kru dhatu upasargam rupena agacchati kila. Kru dhatu asti. Swikaroti kru dhatu.
Kru dhatu.
Kurutah karishyatah karisyatam akarishyate akarisyatam. Sad dhatu.
Mahodaya, I couldn't count.
न श्रुतं महोदय पुनरेकवारं वदतु.
Kurutah. श्रूयते वा महोदय? Kurutah karishyatah kurutam akurutam. Sad dhatu महोदय.
I didn't get.
What dhatu?
Khad dhatu.
Khad.
खादति. खाद.
Is it khad? Khad. Khadatah. Khadishyatah. Khadatam. Akhadatam.
You give some other dhatu. Sundari Mahodaya.
Mahodaya, to carry. Naya dhatu. Naya.
No, ni.
Ni dhatu. Nesh.
Yeah.
Ni dhatu. Mahodaya, Sundari Mahodaya.
It's
Ni
Nayati.
dhatu.
Nayati.
नयति तस्य द्विवचनं प्रथमपुरुषस्य द्विवचनं.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಯತಃ नेष्यतः नयतां अनयतां.
अस्तु. इदानीं भवती एव गायत्री महोदयायै बहुवचनं तत्र प्रथमपुरुष बहुवचनार्थं एकां धातुं सूचयति.
लिक् धातु.
लिख्. गायत्री महोदय.
लिखन्ति लेखिष्यति लेखिष्यन्ति लिखतु लिखन्तु लिखन्तन् लिखन्तन्
न
लिखतन्
न किम् आगच्छति तत्र वदतु.
Alikhan.
Alikhan.
अस्तु.
लिखन्.
कार्तिक् महोदय अपि आगतवान्. सः इदानीं सुभाषितानि पाठयितुम् इच्छति. क्रीडाम् अग्रिमकक्षायां पुनः.
This was very interesting.
It's very nice.
This morning only I got this idea, so that this dhatu and the kriya padam, right choice of Kriya Padam will come.
Yeah, it's good practice.
It's a good
It will be a good practice, yeah.
In the
It's a
exam also
memory
it becomes
test.
easier. Otherwise, we will keep on thinking, oh, Kridati, Kridatah, Kridanti, what will come like that.
Yeah, Adyapi, we are not going to do otherwise.
If you do this in 2-3
Panchadivesha-
classes, then it becomes easier. For Atma
Yeah.
Nirviti also you have to do like this.
Karotu. Idanim, we can do it for another 5 minutes. Please continue with your Krida.
No, Mahodaya, we have to finish this Subhashitam
Ah,
also.
astu.
Huh?
Ah.
This we can do in the next class, no problem.
Astu, astu, astu.
Shall I share screen?
Mahoday. Supriya.
Atra,
Prahelika eva karishyamah.
एवं वा अस्तु
Astu. नमः सर्वेभ्यः अस्ति नास्ति शिरो
What
नास्ति
is Prahelika?
Praheli एक निमिष I'll give a prelude to what a Prahelika is. So all of us have heard of in English what are called riddles, right? So can anybody give an example of a riddle?
Riddle?
Yeah, riddle.
Asti nasti shiro
No.
nasti.
Prahelika was Agila riddle. Samskrita.
Riddle.
In Tamil, we call it as Vidugadai.
Yes. Any riddles that people can remember from childhood?
तीतर के दो आगे तीतर तीतर
Huh?
के दो पीछे तीतर
What
तीतर
is
के
that?
दो आगे तीतर तीतर के दो पीछे
Ah,
आगे तीतर पीछे
correct,
तीतर बोलो कितने तीतर
correct. Something like that. तीतर के दो पीछे तीतर बोलो तो पूरे कितने तीतर? कितने तीतर हो गए हर्षा महोदय?
Tell something else.
भवान् कन्नಡ भाषायां वदतु महोदय.
Sir, ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ sir ಗೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಮುಂದೆ 2 ಹಿಂದೆ 2 ಟೋಟಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಅವರು.
Riddle.
So it's sort of a riddle which
Yes.
you need to answer. Astuva.
Yeah, we used to do in Matrubhasha.
Matrubhasha, there are lots of them in everybody's mother tongue, respective mother tongue. Correct?
Yes.
Now we'll see some of them where the Moola from Sanskritam we will see. There are totally 10 riddles for this syllabus in this one, in Pravesha.
Okay.
Astuva. So we will go through each of them here. Asti nasti, shiro nasti, bahu nasti, nirangulihi, nasti padadvayam, gadam, angila, angamalingati, nasti padadvayam, gadam, Angam alingati swayam. So can anybody expand it a little?
Yes. Asti, okay. Asti nasti, shiraha nasti. Bahuhu asti, anguli nasti. Padadvayam nasti.
Nasti.
Angam Alingati Ghadam. Or Angam Ghadam Alingati.
Swayam.
Okay. Swayam. Yeah. I think I know the answer.
No, you know the answer, but I don't want you to give the answer right now. Expand and explain it if you can, please.
Okay.
Or somebody can explain it else.
Let me
Rita
try.
Mahodaya karishyati va?
आं महोदय प्रयत्नं करोमि अस्थि न अस्ति there is no bone.
It does not have any bones.
Yes. Shiro nasti. It does not have head.
Shiraha nasti.
Shiraha nasti. It does not have a head.
Correct.
Bahu asti. It has arms.
It has shoulders. Has arm is a little misleading. It has shoulders. Bahu is shoulder. Let's take it as shoulder for now.
Oh, it has shoulders.
Shoulder or some level of some.
Okay.
Let's take it.
Okay. Ni angulihi. Angulihi na. There are no fingers.
Correct.
Then na asti padadvayam. 2 legs are not there. Padadvayam.
Padadvayam.
2 legs are not there. Angam alingati. It embraces you itself. Gadham means closely. Gadham, very thickly or closely.
Correct.
Tightly.
Okay.
Now we will do one thing. We will not, nobody will give the answer. We have this chat option here, no? So if you go here, don't type, no, everybody will not type, only to host or to me. You should type your answers only to me or to Haripriya Mahodaya.
Okay.
Okay?
Shall we?
So everybody has understood what it is, as in what are the possibilities. Correct.
We have done this in the class.
We have done this in the class, is it?
That is why we know. Otherwise,
So everybody knows this.
who does not know shall raise the hand.
Whoever does not know can use raise your hand option. In reaction, it will be there. Okay.
It is a
Ramesh Mahodaya does not know the answer. So there is one person who does not know.
even I don't know.
Even Sundari Mahodaya.
So type out the answer. So everybody will type out the answer and put it in the chat box and type it only to me or to Haripriya Mahodaya.
Okay.
I don't know the answer.
Even I don't
Okay.
know the answer.
So please type it out only to me or Haripriya Mahodaya. Don't do it to everyone. So choose me in the name in your chat box, and whether it's an English answer or a Sanskritam answer, put it. Okay. I've got one answer right now. Okay. 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 Most people have typed out. Okay. Hina Mahodaya Uchita, you have to type out.
Oh, we can answer in English.
Yeah, you can answer in English, but type out the answer in English in only to me.
Okay.
Don't type it.
Okay. I'll try.
Okay. Okay.
Mahodaya, I have written to you.
Yes, yes, got it. Gayatri Modi
Is it right?
Bhavtyaha. Uttaram
Is it right?
agachat. We will discuss, we will discuss. Astu. I have got everybody from Namode. Astu, Chinta Nasti. Idani, Harsha Mohode, Eka Karyam Karotu. Can you explain your reasoning for whatever you have typed?
Oh, asti nasti means time does not have a bone or
Oh,
head
got it.
or hand
Ah,
or fingers.
okay,
It does not have a feet, but still
okay.
it, everyone time will keep everyone alert and does not let them go away.
Okay, but does time have this shoulders? It says it has shoulder, no? Shiraha
No,
nasti,
no
asti
shoulder.
nasti, bahu asti,
No
bahu asti.
It has
Oh,
got
Bahu.
Does
arms.
time have shoulder?
Bahu asti.
Bahu asti. And how does it come and if it does not have legs, it comes and it comes very close to you and it hugs you. That's what it says. Angam alingati. It has that means it has some sort of a torso.
Right. I did
So
not-
this is something which has a torso and a shoulder, but does not have bones or head or fingers or legs.
or legs,
Feet.
but Bahu asti.
Hmm.
Clock.
It is some form of cloth then. Idanim got it. Hina Modi, you got it.
Yeah, I think it is a. Do I answer?
Yeah, answer, yes.
It is a coat.
It's a coat. Something close, but it is not exactly a coat.
Coat. Coat means it does not have head. Coat
Correct.
means but it has arms.
Correct.
It does not have fingers
Hmm.
and no legs, but it
Correct.
hugs your body.
Correct. It's something close. We can take it as shirt.
So I think it is a coat.
Okay, but the thing closer to that will be a shirt because a coat is generally worn on top of a shirt.
Okay, yeah. So it is not close to the body.
Ah.
Exactly, cost. Okay. So it is Ayuta.
Yutakam.
Uttakam.
Yutakam. Everybody got this right. Everybody has answered this right. Priya Mahodaya Agatam va? Priya Mahodaya? You had not typed out your answer, did you?
I did.
You did. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
She typed it to me. Her answer
Yes,
was correct.
You have typed it too. Correct. Astu. Good.
it is kind of surprising between asti and asti, the Mahabharata.
Very important.
Yeah, in one place it means something, in other place it completely something else.
Correct, correct, correct. Just a minute. Kshamyata. Astu. Yes, Hariprasad Mahodaya, what you have said is very right. That is to be observed. When it becomes Mahaprana, Takara and Thakara,
Yeah,
things can very clearly mean very different things.
yeah.
That is to be observed. Haripriya Mahodaya bhavati ekvaram विश्लेषणं करिष्यति वा?
कर्तुं शक्यते महोदय। अत्र क्रियापदः किम् अस्ति?
Yeah.
No, Mahodaya, that is not the one. Asthi, asthi, asti.
Asti is the bone, no?
So,
Yeah.
Hariprasad Mahodaya's question is when it becomes Mahaprana, Thakara, and versus Takara, the meaning itself changes completely.
Yeah.
So, Asti versus Asti. Asti is a dhatu, is a kriyapadam. Asti is a ekam Pratipadikam iti Sumanta.
अस्ति अस्थिनि अस्थिनि इति रूपाणि।
So Namapada. So one letter Thakara versus Takara can change the whole meaning. That is the importance of Sanskritam, as we should be aware of. That's a very good observation, Mahodaya. Yes.
But even in other language also, if you pronounce not correct word, sometimes it change the meaning.
Correct. In most of the Indian languages are like that.
Like that, right?
Yes.
Tatra one Kalidasa story is there. Kalidasa once, because all the other Panditas of his time, they were jealous of him and they kept on complaining to Raja Bhoja about Kalidasa. So Bhoja sent him away. Desha Bahishkaraha bhavat Kalidasasya. Saha tatra bahihi gatva. एक ग्रामे वासं कृतवान्। तदा भोजराजः अन्यवेषे तं मेलितुम् आगतवान्। Bhojaraja didn't tell him that he was Bhoja. He was completely in a different attire, and normal people would not find out that he was the king. But Kalidasa, he was very intelligent, no? So he knew that it is definitely Raja Bhoja only. Then he asked, what is the news of Dharanagari? So immediately Bhojaraja said, oh, Bhojaraja is dead.
Okay.
Immediately Kalidasa composed verse saying, Adya Dhara Niradhara Niralamba Saraswati Panditaha Khanditaschaiva Bhojaraje Divangate. Adya Dhara, today Dhara Nagari. Niradhara. Dhara Nagari has become supportless. There is the pillar is gone. Niradhara. Adharam vina abhavat. Adyadhara niradhara. Niralamba. Saraswati api niralamba abhavat. Saraswati also, because he was a great patron of all these Panditas and art, literature, everything. Adyadhara, Niradhara, Niralamba, Saraswati, Panditaha, Khanditaha, Chaiva, Bhojaraje, Divangate. Because Bhojaraja is dead, Panditas have nowhere to go now. They are all Khandita. They are broken like that. Immediately, Bhojaraja, he fell down actually. He couldn't, he was so sensitive that he couldn't tolerate that. Immediately, Kalidasa changed this. Adyadhara, Sadadhara, Sadalamba, Saraswati, Panditaha, Manditaha, Chaiva, Bhojaraje, Bhuvangate. Adyadhara, Niradhara became Sadadhara. Adyadhara, Sadadhara. Sadalamba, Saraswati. Niralamba became Sadalamba.
Okay.
Panditaha, Mandita, they are all taken care of by the great king Bhoja. So that way, that was the beauty of Kalidasa's
language.
Yeah.
Language
And also his capability.
Immediately,
yes,
promptly
immediately
given
Bhojaraja,
answer.
he got up and he was very happy. He took him back. So such stories, we have a lot, many stories. We can discuss. Now we are almost at the end. I can get you some more Kalidasa stories in the next class.
Even Parvati, Shiva, when Shiva Graham Agachati, Kogatavan, Pashupati, Atva, Dilakanta, Kekikaram Kuro, iti Gantanatran Kuro, iti Vadishyati Kila. Yada Parvati Priya Uchyate, Tadeva sa Dwaram Pravesham Diyate. Shivasya. Yetadavi Bhasa Nikitavaniti Manye. Bhasa se kavyam va athva Kumara Sambhavam va na janami.
Parvati ityukte Kumara Sambhavam evam. Bhasasya नाटके एवं न पठितं मया.
भविष्यति. प्रसङ्गः अस्तु महोदय. अग्रे गच्छ.
Very good.
किम् इच्छति नरः काश्यां भूपानां को रणे हितः को वन्द्यः सर्वदेवानां दियताम् एक उत्तरम्.
एक उत्तरम. Okay.
Haraprasad Mohdaya, you are done. Ekavaram, we will take somebody else.
Okay.
We will go with Sundari Mohdaya. We'll start with Sundari Mohdaya.
Kim ichchati naraha kashyam at Kashi nagar at Kashi nagaram. What do you want? What do you ask for?
What do you expect? What does Naraha arthat?
What do you wish?
What does a human being wish in Kashi?
Yeah.
Naraha arthat all consists of all possible human beings. A man or everybody, belong to the human species.
Yeah. Bhupanam ko rane hitaha. In the battlefield, Bhupanam kings, what do they desire? Ko Vandyaha Sarvadevanam.
कः वन्द्यः?
Pray among the gods, who is respected the most?
Who is respected amongst the gods? Vandyah.
Diyatamekam uttaram.
Ekam uttaram.
Eka uttaram. Yeah.
अत्र क्रियापदम् अस्ति वा?
आम्.
सुन्दरी महोदय वदतु.
So, Kriyapadam is give.
Diyatam.
Give.
Diyatam.
Kim diyatam?
One answer.
Ekam
One
uttaram.
Ekam uttaram.
Nirmal Mahoday vadatu. You are saying something, no?
No, it's clear. It's clear. It's okay. I think they already explained, right?
You have already done this, Astu.
No. I'm just saying already we discussed just now, no? You want the answer, is it?
Oh, you know the answer. Oh, I see. Okay.
No. I'm just saying, do you want? No. I don't know. I can think of, but I'm just saying, do you? You are asking to first explain what is written, right?
Explain.
That I think that we have already done. Kim ichhati nara kashyam. So in Kasi, what does a nar, any person wishes? Bhupanam ko rane hita. So what?
Kim ichhati nara kashyam.
Mukti.
Mukti.
Moksham or mukti.
Yeah. So
but how do you get moksha?
By see, that's what I was thinking. So yeah, so and also the same term has to go with Ko Vanda Sarva Devanam. So everything. So I feel also you need to say Bhupanam Ko Rane Hita. So basically, I think it has something to do with death and victory.
Death and victory. Astu. Samyak. Uttamam. There is death, there is victory. So moksha is true, but in Kashi, it is assumed that if you die in Kashi, you get moksha.
In our Gujarat.
You don't expect moksha, you expect death in Kashi. That is a given. Yes.
Yeah.
That is how it is.
In our Gujarati, there is a quote. Kasi nu maran, Surat nu jaman.
Correct. Surat Janam, Kashi Maran. Surat, you make a lot of money, so you come up with Surat. You die in Kashi, then you get moksha. Correct. Absolutely right.
In Tamil, we have Kanchipuram. Kanchiyil Pirande, Kasiyil Irande, Madurayil Vaalde.
Correct.
He live in Madurai, be born in Kanchi, and die in Kashi. One person will get moksham if they do in these three places.
Correct. So it has got to do with death. It has got to do with victory. Now, etat sarvam sanskritam vadatu Mahodaya, Nirmal Mahodaya. Sanskritam, what is death for in Sanskritam?
Mrityu.
So Mrityunjay.
Mrityu.
Mrityunjaya.
Yeah, that is another name of Mahadeva also.
Mrityunjaya.
So that is the answer.
Mrityunjaya. Ko Vandya Sarvadevanam Ishvaraha Atva Shivaha. Shivasya Nama Mrityunjaya.
Yeah.
Padam Mrityunjaya. Yaha Devanam मृत्युञ्जय तदेव भविष्यति सम्यक् वा एकम् उत्तरं मृत्युञ्जय
मृत्युञ्जय
मृत्युञ्जय सम्यक् वा
महोदय ब्यूटिफुल
महोदय
बहु सम्यक्
सम्यक्
देन् अन्ये किमपि स्वीकर्तुं शक्यते वा महोदय
महोदय इदानीं समयः अभवत्
समयः अभवत् Do you have anything more? Did we have Subhashitam also with this?
Yes, Subhashitam अस्ति एकनिमिषम्
प्रहेलिका कृतवन्तः वा
प्रहेलिका वा
नास्ति
न this is the first time we are doing the prahelika I think
yes
the class
prahelika actually we have not done
we have never done prahelika I don't think Bhanu Madhya put Subhashitam
Subhashitam is there I'll share just a minute let us see if we can finish it in 5 minutes
we have this is correct this is a very who wants to take this Mहोदय भवती करिष्यति वा
भवान् मम नाम उक्तवान् वा
आमाम्
उपकारिषु यः साधुः साधुत्वे तस्य को गुणः उपकारिषु यः साधुः स साधुरीति कीर्तितः यः साधुः उपकारं न शृणोति महोदय
क्रियापदम् अस्ति वा अत्र
अस्ति
भवति
भवति अस्ति उपकारिषु यः साधु साधुत्वे तस्य कः गुणः अस्तु अत्र क्रियापदं लेट्स नॉट टेक इट एज अस्ति और भवति लेट्स टेक एन इनहेरेंट क्रियापदम एज करिष्यति यः साधुः उपकारिषु यः साधुः साधुत्वे तस्य को गुणः अपकारिषु यः साधुः स साधुः कीर्तितः अस्ति अस्ति अस्तु अस्ति एतदेव प्रथमक्रियापदं स्वीकरिष्यामः प्रथमतः अस्ति कीर्तितः अस्ति सम्यक् वा प्रिया महोदय अत्र कानि पदानि प्रथमा विभक्तेः सन्ति
साधुः गुणः साधुः गुणः
यः
यः यः यः
सः
सः कः अपि को गुणः अस्ति किल that is to be read as कः गुणः साधुत्वे साधुः इति अपि साधुः appears here त्रिवारं भविष्यति इति is अव्ययपद साधुः इति कीर्तितः गुणः साधुः यः कः साधुः इति सम्यक् वा सप्तमी विभक्तेः किम् अस्ति
उपकारिषु Apakarishu.
Apakarishu.
Upakarishu,
apakarishu. So what is the meaning now?
So, in saint means in saints.
Upakarishu artha in upakarishu artha kim?
Upakara.
help.
One who helps.
One who has upkar quality.
One who has upakara qualities, or we can take it in this case, we should take it as those who are highly merited, who are good people, amongst the good people.
Among the good people.
Apakarishu arthat?
Do harm.
Doing harm. All those people who are always doing harm. Correct?
Yeah.
A sadhu who is doing good things to all the people who are doing good. That is what the first line means here.
Yes.
Mahoday, sadhutve. What is the sandhi vikshid here?
The quality.
First line. Sadhutve.
Sadhutva. No, sadhutva.
Sadhutva.
Sadhutva itself is a word.
Okay.
Saptami Bhakti.
Saptami Bhakti. Rame. Sadhutva.
Okay.
Sadhutve. Tasya ke gunaha. Among that sadhu, what is the guna in that sadhu?
Nothing. There is no specialty.
There is no speciality in a sadhu who is always doing good to all the good people only.
To those who do good to him.
No.
Yeah.
A person who is doing good only to the good people in the world.
Yeah.
Do you
There is no
consider
specialty.
do you consider him a sadhutva? He is a very great pious person.
No.
No.
Karthik
Real pious person is one who does good things even to those who harm him.
Harm him.
Karthik Mahoday, in the first line, I think this is it's saying sadhutve tasya ko guna hai. That means the goodness, sadhutva is goodness or sainthood.
Correct.
So that sainthood has no merit. Not the saint has no merit, that sainthood has no merit. That goodness
That
has
sainthood, correct.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
sainthood has no
Has
merit.
no merit.
Correct.
Yeah.
That sadhutva is of not much use, basically. Let's put it that way.
Yes.
You're right. That sadhutva has not got much merit. However, who is doing good to even those who are doing bad to him, who are harming him.
Apakarishu.
Apakarishu. Yas sadhu. Apakarishu yah sadhu. Saha. Saha sadhu iti kirtitaha. He is the uttama sadhu of those sadhu.
Mahodaya, eka prashna. Why there is no visarga for sa then?
Kutra sadhu. That should be that becomes a sandhi. There's a sandhi rule there. Sadhu bhavishyati. Saha and then sa should become sadhu.
No. Saha sadhu iti, right?
Saha sadhu iti kirtitaha.
So my question is, why there is no visarga for sa?
That visarga becomes lopa when you do a sandhi. There is a rule there.
Oh, I see.
Just like kaha becomes ko,
Ah,
just like that there is a rule. Sassadhuriti ketitah. That's how you read it.
I see.
Sassadhuriti.
महोदय
Ah,
समयः
महोदय.
अतीतः
So we have understood. Mहोदय. I think we can stop here. We can give this as a homework for people to actually refresh once again.
Okay.
अस्तु समापयामः वा?
समापयामः महोदय.
महोदय.
ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ.
We'll revise this again in the